Hello and welcome back to my channel. So there's only 16 days until Christmas. It is crunch time and I wanted to do one last Christmas gift guide this year, focusing on products that are all under $25. So if you're also bougie on a budget, if you want awesome gifts, but you don't want to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars, this is the video for you. Links for everything are in the description box. I will show you here on the screen how to get to the description box because YouTube has kind of hidden it. So this is how you get there if you want to find links to anything shown. And with all of that said, let's start with my first amazing gift item under 25. It is this light bulb. Just looking at it, it looks like a silver light bulb, right? No, when you put this into a lamp, it comes alive and it almost looks like a firework suspended in time. And it is only $12. So this makes a great stocking stuffer gift for literally anyone. I'm keeping this for myself because I love it so much. Next gift item is a longtime favorite of mine. It's on sale for 30% off, so it brings it down to only 12 bucks. And it is this mini waffle iron. And you might see this and be like, mini waffles. I don't know if that's my thing. Well, here's what you may not know. There's so many different hacks and ways you can use this little guy. It is so versatile. You can use this. It's actually the best way to make your cinnamon bun. You can make your brownies on here. We do the Kodiak Cake high protein pancake mix on here. You can cook them very fast and you can even make paninis on this. So very versatile, cute little gift item. It's 12 bucks. And when they open it, you can give them that little spiel I just gave you about all the different ways you can use it and they'll be really impressed. This next item I actually just bought for myself and I was so excited about it. I was like, this would make an awesome gift. So you can get this 2 set of these large glass mugs because you know, sometimes those 8-ounce, those 12-ounce mugs, they're just not big enough. There's something about like a large mug of hot chocolate that just hits different, okay? They come with the little spoons and the lids on top. They're 2 for $22. They're 20% off right now. So I think this makes a great practical gift item. Next up is the self-care item that you didn't know you needed, but you can thank me for later. It is this, the lotion warmer. I shared this, I believe, in my Black Friday deals video, but it's $20. The closest thing I could describe it to is when you're getting a professional massage. You know how they put that hot or warm oil on your body and it feels so relaxing? You can recreate that experience at home with this lotion warmer. So put any lotion, your favorite lotion, in here. So I turn it on before I get in the shower. After the shower, I apply my warm lotion. It's the perfect temperature of warm. I also realized this is great if you have young kids or a baby and you're applying lotion onto them and you want it to be warmer in the cool months, but really this is such a fun, different self-care item that's 20 bucks. My favorite and actually top selling item of the entire Black Friday through Cyber Monday weekend are these Twinkle Light candles. These are the most beautiful candles I've ever seen. They're electric candles, I should say that. So no fire hazard, but they just create ambiance. They have the twinkle lights built into them. They look magical at night, but they're also remote control operated. They are $25, so right at our $25 limit. And I think this is a great gift for any woman you're shopping for, your aunt, your mom, your sister. Next up, one of my favorite finds of the entire year, I think also makes a great practical but cool gift item, and it is this salad bowl, the salad bowl. I actually found this from TikTok. It went crazy viral over there, and I have to say, it's just amazing because it has everything you need. It has the larger bowl for your salad, and then it has the compartment on top where you could put all of your add-ons, your fixings, your dressing, so that's separated. And it even has a little fork on top. So anyone you know who works in an office, this is a great option where they can bring their own hearty salad to lunch and not have to eat out every day, and it's only 15 bucks. Now, let's be real, okay? Men are always the hardest to shop for, at least for me. So these next few are for anyone, but men in particular, I think would appreciate. First is this cocktail making kit. This is something I got for Ryan this year. When I just checked, it is currently 33% off, so it's only $15, and it comes with the shaker, the muddler, the spoon, the shot glass, the pouring attachments, and what really set it over the edge for me is it even has these cards, the cocktail recipe cards with it. all of that for only $15. And Ryan is someone who likes a specialty cocktail, but it's not something that I've seen him do himself, but when we go out to restaurants, that's something he likes. So he can experiment and make his own cocktails at home. I think he will enjoy this. Next, for the man in your life who likes to cook, for me, that's my brother, my dad, even Ryan. I love these gravity grinders is what they're called. So they are electric salt and pepper shakers, and they're gravity controlled. So all you have to do, turn it upside down. It lights up so you can see what you're doing, and it grinds your salt and pepper for you. I have the Maldon sea salt flakes in here. If you know, you know. They're a little too big on their own, so I like to put them in here. The set is $27, so $2 over, but it is worth it. Next gift idea for him, but really for anyone, but I did get this for Ryan in particular. It is this car gadget that I thought was just so clever. So it has the expandable cup holder, and it does adjust to fit any size cup holder. That's important. But it has the extendable arm where your phone goes. The architecture of our car interior, there is no place for our phone. So this is perfect for that, and you can angle it to any direction, and it's very secure. It's not gonna move as you're driving around, and it does expand wide even for the Big Daddy phone. Really useful, clever car gadget that we definitely needed, and it is 33% off, under 25. One of the themes here are gifts that I actually bought for Ryan this year. So Ryan, stop watching if you're watching. I got him one of my bamboo foot massagers to put under his desk. This is only $17. It props your legs up to the right position, and it gives you something to do. Ryan has a little bit of ADHD, so it's almost like a fidget spinner for your feet. It allows you to do micro movements throughout the day, which there's a new study that just came out that shows all the benefits of doing micro movements. So even just little movements like moving your feet along this, and most importantly of all, it feels really nice on your feet. I take my shoes off and I'm just rolling my feet on my bamboo roller under my desk all day long. So I got one for Ryan, only $17. So I thought, you know what? This also makes a great gift. I'm adding it to the list. Next up, the crock pots. The big crock pots are still on sale for 50% off. So they're only $25. I got one for myself as a Christmas gift. And here's what I say to do. If you want to get this as a gift for the person in your life who loves to cook, get it along with a recipe book, because that's what I was missing. So I ordered this for myself. Like, I found this crock pot easy recipes for beginners. So I think pairing these together kind of empowers the person to actually use the crock pot and get a lot of ideas and inspiration. Now let's talk some items specifically for her that I know she will love, because these are some of my all-time favorite things. So the ultrasonic skin scrubber tool, this was my #1 best-selling item of all of 2021. I still use it weekly, sometimes bi-weekly, and it is 35% off, under $20. Such an amazing, like, instant result skincare tool. You put it slowly on your skin and it helps remove all the debris, dirt, bacteria from your pores, and you can actually see it working. Also, these hair towels, you can get a 3-pack for $19. So you can give one to each of your girlfriends. I was shocked by how many people, when I asked, are not using a hair towel. You know when you try to put like a big bulky towel on your head and wrap it up, it's like falling over your head. It's not comfortable. These are designed specifically for your hair. There's a little strap in the back, so you twist it right up, attach it, it will not go anywhere. But these ones are more plush and softer, which translates to less breakage for your hair. Also, this light up vanity mirror is on sale, 8% off. For 22 bucks. It's all about lighting when you're getting ready, okay? And it has the dimmable light. It is USB rechargeable, so it's never gonna run out of battery. I will never ever travel without this. It comes with a built-in case that also doubles as a stand, so you can adjust the angle, and then if you're traveling, you close it up. It fits nicely in your suitcase. Also, $22 is my favorite robe of the year. Every year I have like the robe. This was a find by my mom. She said it's her favorite robe. Not only is it amazingly buttery soft, it's that like fleece chenille type of feel to it, but it has a hood. Like, why are my cold ears and neck being left out? Once you have a hood on your robe, you'll never want a robe without a hood. That's all I'm saying, okay? I'm noticing a theme here of these are all gifts that I got for myself. Also, I do just have to say, if you have not yet purchased the Swedish dishcloths or the roll-up drying rack from my brand Belterre, we have them back on Amazon Prime. These are a practical gift item. The dishcloths, you get a pack of 6 for under $15. kitchen, you can use these to clean your entire house. They're like a paper towel and a sponge hybrid. So you can clean your dishes with these, you can wipe up spills, you can use them in place of a microfiber cloth, clean your countertops, do your dusting with them. They do all of the things, and they're such a cool wow factor product because they come alive when you get them wet, and you can use them for so many things. They replace paper towels and sponges in your home. Think about how often you replace those. Those are wasteful, single-use items. They come in the beautiful prints that look amazing in your home. And then to go along with that, the roll-up dish drying rack. I am telling you, if you do not have one of these, it is a game changer for your kitchen sink area. Those big, bulky drying racks take up so much counter space. They don't look nice. There's nowhere to store them. This rolls right out, and we have a patented design where there's the places specifically for you to put your utensils. All of these are on Amazon Prime. They will get to you fast. You can get them in time for Christmas. The price is right. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas I shared is your favorite, which is the one that you want most for yourself. Now, very exciting news. Amazon has given me exclusive codes on items that I got to pick only for us, you guys. Like, very, very cool. But my codes are only active while I'm live. And I will put here on the screen when I'm going live, and there's going to be a link down below. You'll get a text message with the link to join. Anyway, with all of that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.